Good day, Market Chameleons, and everyone joining for the first time. Thanks for coming by and checking out the Market Chameleon live webinar series. Before we get started, let's take a look at the shared disclaimer. Please be aware that neither Market Chameleon, Dimitri, or myself are registered investment advisors or a broker dealer. If you're searching for investment advice, please reach out to a licensed professional. This webinar, as all our webinars and shows, are for informational purposes only concerning Market Chameleon tools and products. With that, let's welcome Dimitri Pargamonik to the stage. He's going to be talking about tracking industry performance. How you doing, D?
Oh, good. How are you all?
Good. And there's the Market Chameleon landing page, and we're ready to go.
Good morning. Thanks, Will. So let's navigate to this page. If you look at the main menu up top, click on stocks, then come over here to the right. It says performance by industry. We'll click on that. And what this report does is first group the stocks into an industry. So you could see here to the left hand, infrastructure operations, REIT mortgages, lumber, wood. So it takes these stocks, groups them together in this industry. This is the number of stocks in this industry that we categorized. So if you click on this open, you'll see you'll see these stocks in there. And the idea here is to kind of spot what industries or where there are particular industries that are performing well relative to other industries and over different time periods. So if we go from left to right, you could see here this is tracking the median performance of the stocks in that industry. So it's taking the move where half of the stocks are above. This performance had to be low. So let's just sort this from high to low. So you could see here yesterday, the top performing industry was the silver. It has 5 stocks that we're tracking in there. All 5 stocks were up yesterday, 0 were down, and the median performance was up 8.1%. So if we click on that open, we could see these are the 5 stocks in there, AG, DVS, and so forth. These are the market caps, the price. This is the performance of each stock over here. And that's a quick way just to come to a report and kind of spot where those, where particular industries are performing well. The idea there is where's money flowing into, where's capital flowing into, where's capital flowing out. And that's just a fast way to spot it. Now I'm going to close this, and that's on the 1 day performance. We might want to see perhaps a trend or a longer performance than a day. So we could expand that and look at 2 weeks. Here we have 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, year to date. So we could see that these silver stocks wasn't just yesterday, but even if we look at a longer or expand that time span for 3 months, over 3 months, this group, the median performance was up 45%. In a 6-month period, 101%. You could see on the 1 year and year to date. So this isn't just a 1 day event. It looks like that those stocks or that group of stocks has been displaying strong strong return, strong performance over a longer period of time. And if we just kind of like just for yesterday, we could see that silver, solar, gold, uranium, those were the top performing by those industry groups. And as you can see, they all did pretty well, even over the 6-month period and 3-month. Another performance measurement here is we see, the median, how far away they are from their 52-week low and from their 52-week high. Okay, these are median. Again, these are median measurements. And over here, we also just list kind of the key fundamentals, the median PE ratios, the median price to sales, price to book, gross margins, revenue, and net income growth over a 5-year period. Revenue growth over a 5-year period, net income growth. So this allows us kind of to get a sense of the industry fundamentals, okay, at least for those stocks that we grouped. And you could compare them relative to each other, right? So even if we just sorted, let's say, the 3-month. So here are the best 3-month performers, okay, department stores, silver, copper, and so on. We could even compare the PE ratios of those industries, the price to sales, price to book, the gross margins, and even the growth rates in revenue and net income. Another thing we could do is, and these are relative performance metrics, right? So we have these fundamentals, we have the technical performance, and because of this list, we could just kind of compare them and eyeball them, their PE ratios, price to sales, and so forth. But even within the industry, now that we have this median number, we could open it up, let's say in the silver, and we could see, all the numbers that these came from. So, some of them don't have PEs, I guess, maybe they don't have earnings or negative earnings. But even over here, if we wanted to, let's say, revenue growth, we could see within the industry which ones had the highest revenue growth. So SVM had the highest, some have 0, and we compare that to the median. So that is, so this report here just shows a quick way to come and get those insights into the industry performance and relative comparisons. Well, I'm going to throw it back to you, and a reminder maybe for today that we have a webinar coming up at 2:00 with IBKR.
Yep, we have an IBKR webinar today at 2. I will put the link in the chat once Dimitri leaves, and we will. And you have to go there to register for the webinar. Even if you can't join us live at 2, you can always watch it at your convenience. You just need to register. And tomorrow, I have an event at the school with my daughter, so we'll be unable to do a webinar, and I will send out a pre-recorded webinar for everyone to view. You'll get an email for that. Great job as always, Dee. Thanks.
Right. Thanks everyone for joining. Hope to see you guys later today. Stay safe out there.
Yep, and we'll see you Thursday morning, Dee. Thanks, buddy.
Bye.
All right, everyone, thanks for joining us. Let me get the link for the IBKR webinar. That is going to be today at 2, and that is screening for options straddles. Dee will be putting that webinar on, and I'll put the link right now in the YouTube chat. You must go on to, actually, I'll send it to all the destinations. So if you're following right now on LinkedIn or Twitter, you can see it too. You need to register. Wow, some real sun changes right now. Sorry for that glare. So it is in the chat right now. So hit that link. Everyone remember to like and follow us on the social platforms. For everyone on YouTube, thumbs up, always appreciated. Everyone have a safe trading day. Hopefully we'll see you at 2. And if not, we'll be live again on Thursday, and you can check out tomorrow's pre-recorded webinar in the morning. I will send that out for 9 a.m. so everyone can get on the live chat if they want. Everyone have a great day. Bye.